So this is just a little bit of our GenStone project, and came together very nicely. We have 5 pillars out front of our porch, and wanted to put this together so you have an idea what this looks like. Josh did a great job on helping us out. You can see everything goes together very nicely. I'm gonna do a little touch-up work in the spring when I stain the poles, but I really like the look that this gave to our front porch. And very easy to work with, even for a novice guy like me. Came together very nicely. Thanks, GenStone.